Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're viewing the How To Lady, and it offers information regarding how-to, organization, DIYs, and life hacks. So today you are in luck because we are going to show you how we organize our bathroom towels and washcloth. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, let's get this ball rolling and knock it out of the park. As promised in the introduction, we are going to show you how we store our washcloths. And then I'll give you a sneak peek of how we store our towels. So all you need today is your washcloth, and a basket of your choice. I would suggest that the basket be square, because that way you'll be able to store more items. So with that said, I want you all to know that this is not, just something written in stone. It's up to you to decide how you like to store your items. But when you're trying to store things in a small space, you want to utilize and maximize every inch of that space. I am going to show you how I fold my washcloths to maximize how many I can get in this basket. So here's my washcloth, and I'm going to fold each end into itself. So that's one end that's folded down, and then I'm going to fold down the other end. So it went right over that end. Then after you get it folded, then the next thing you want to do is roll it. Now this works best when it's lying down, but I'm doing it up high so that you can see it, because if I lie it on the counter, you won't be able to see it. So I just roll it into itself, and I kind of get it as tightly rolled as possible. And I keep rolling and rolling and rolling until I get the entire washcloth rolled. So it should look like this when you're done. And then you're going to place it into the basket. Now I'm going to place it into the basket like this. Now I have a few more towels that I've rolled, so I'm going to go ahead and put them all in the basket. Finished product, and I have all of my washcloths in my basket. Now the basket can either sit upright or it can sit on its side. I kind of like it on its side because that looks like a Art Deco to me. So I hope you like what you've seen. If you do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe below. And I will see you in the next video. And stay tuned, because I want you to get a sneak peek of how we also organize the towels in this space.